Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll guide you through adding Apple Pay to your Shopify store, step by step for 2025. Let's get started. Step 1. From your Shopify admin, go to Settings, Payments. Step 2. Under Shopify Payments, click Manage. Step 3. Scroll down to the Wallets section. You'll see an option to enable Apple Pay. Step 4. Check the box next to Apple Pay and click Save. Apple Pay will now be active for all devices that support it. Step 5. Test it by visiting your store on an Apple device to ensure the Apple Pay button appears during checkout. Note, you must be using Shopify Payments to access Apple Pay. If you're using a third-party processor, this option won't be available. And that's it. Apple Pay is now ready to use in your Shopify store for faster checkouts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel.